All right, guys. It's about 5:30 in the morning, and it's rough right now. I got some animals to go check on. Let's go see if we can get a little bit of footage, see what's going on. It's crazy out here right now, y'all. Butterfly, you okay? Huh? You okay, baby girl? Well, the barn's intact. Butterfly's fine. I don't know if y'all can see some of that, but I'll film again after daylight. That's Junior sitting up there on the fence. He's tough. We got a mess, I know that. Golly. Stuff popping and cracking everywhere. What about it, Jake? You all right, buddy? Kind of rough in here? Everybody all right in here, guys? Everybody okay? Oh, yeah, everybody's tied it down. See the gates open on the rabbit colony. All right, we got the rabbit colony locked down. Sorry about moving around, guys. The wind's blowing me around in here. A little rough. Got a hen sitting on the edge. I moved her for she wouldn't blow away. See, all the wires are down. We ain't got to worry about no electric wires. We've been out of electric since about 1 o'clock last night. All right, guys, when it breaks a little bit daylight, I'll film some more and show you all around. Y'all stay safe. All right, y'all. Sorry about the sound, but let's go make a round. We'll go see. I keep wiping the camera. We had a twister come through here. Passed right next to me. I'm gonna show y'all the camper and stuff. My sister's, it tore up pretty bad over there. Took the steeple off. Everything else looks all right here. The greenhouse is still together. Still in good shape here. Guys, the south wind at the tail is what's getting us right now. That's what's tearing everything up. There's trees across the road getting out, and I'm going to my mama's house, check on that. This is at my sister's house. Camper got took out and truck. There's a truck on the other side of that camper. I'm fixing to cut my way out of here. I'll go check on my neighbors, check on my mama's place. There's power lines down, guys. Trees across the power line. I don't know where that tree come from. I'm at my mom's house. Mom, if you're watching that, that big cedar tree's down. House looks fine. We just got stuff down everywhere. Old cedar tree just went down. Guys, that tree right there, I thought would be gone. It's still standing. Overall, everything looks good here. Not bad. Y'all listen to that wind, baby. All right, guys, it took that barn out. Just demolished it. I hear my cows in the background. I don't know what to think about all this. There's one of my neighbors. Got a big oak tree on his house. Dang. Down here. Hello, buddy. I don't think anybody home over here. Yeah, there is. Let me check on him. I just talked to him. He said he's got a limb through the roof at the house. Look at the road in front of me, y'all. Try to cut my way out with this buggy. I check on everybody else down here. We had a lot of twisters come off that storm through here. That's what messed everything up. come through here with my tractor later and clear it out enough for me to pass this vehicle. Just trying to check on everybody now. Wow. It's gonna be a minute here. All right, guys, I finally made my way to the last neighborhood that's on my road. Look down the road, y'all. I couldn't even cut the last trees out. Everybody looks okay over here. All right, guys, I went and checked on all the neighbors. Everybody's still safe. We got tree limbs in houses and everything else, but everybody's all right down here. I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. After we get through cleaning up and stuff, I'll put another one up. God bless y'all. Y'all be praying for these people around Lake Charles. Calcasieu Parish is bad, y'all. There's stuff down everywhere. People in Louisiana, Arkansas, the whole, everybody around here, they call it bad, especially on the coastline. God bless and appreciate y'all. Bye-bye.